Hey guys, Bradley tuning in, coming out with another video. Today I'm hanging out with my friend Cam, and we're talking about installing cameras in and around your rental units and other tools that are available to you as a landlord to win in the rental market. But before I get started, my name is Bradley. I do videos all the time, keep you up to date on the latest tips and tricks. Now, I did a video a few weeks back and we were talking how to create an Airbnb from a rental unit. And I'll tell you, I had half the world pissed off at me. There were some people who genuinely loved it and they thought it was great. For example, this comment. This viewer, speaking about their tenants, was saying that they were curious to something their tenant was up to and thinking it was maybe an Airbnb scam. And after reading the article that we posted with these videos, our blogs, that this is actually a thing. It was actually shedding light on it for them. But the majority of people, well, they were just pissed off. This guy called me a snake. This guy said that the idea was deplorable. And my personal favorite from another realtor, this was an absolutely terrible and negligent suggestion. Mom, guess what? I'm negligent. Well, there you have it. I have successfully been able to piss off every landlord across the Greater Toronto area. And so I thought it would be only fair to do a video that you tenants might not love. And I'll be honest with you, many landlords are quite intimidated by some of the power you have. So let me ask you a question. Is it legitimate to have surveillance cameras installed in and around a rental unit? Leave it down in the comments below.
Hey Brad, don't forget to mention that you're not making any referrals or kickbacks.
Yes, that's right. That too. Before we get into the camera issue, let's talk about some pretty cool tools that are available to you as landlords. Check out this clip speaking on a website called RentPerks.
Hi, I'm Jason Duncan, CEO and co-founder of RentPerks.com, a technology-enabled global property management company that's built on an ecosystem of rewards. We're partnered with TD Canada Trust as a merchant processor, which allows us to collect rent on credit cards. This allows your tenants to earn rewards for paying rent. The advantage to you is that we are now changing the behaviors of our tenants in the marketplace and creating a best-in-class tenant environment.
This program allows tenants to actually collect rewards, which they can put towards shopping and travel. And at the same time, there's an opportunity for you to waive the deposit that you would otherwise collect in the province of Ontario. Your tenants are able to collect rewards, which they can then put towards shopping and travel, pretty much anything under the sun. And at the same time, there's an opportunity for you to waive the last month's rent. There's a program that they have for people that are making reliable payments where they can actually remove that. So there's a lot of benefits to the tenant. Landlords, if you're interested in checking that out, the cost is just under 5% per year. A pretty cool program worth investigating. For those of you who are planning on running an Airbnb, you're gonna wanna check out a website called beyondpricing.com. It's really cool because what they actually do is on a nightly basis are able to get you and optimize the amount of rent, or I guess fees, that you would charge for someone to stay in that unit on a short-term basis, and it changes based on seasons and holidays and everything under the sun. They have these algorithms that are able to optimize how much you're gonna wanna charge. Also a great website if you're looking to run any Airbnb business. All right. So let's get into the fun stuff. We're talking about gateguard.com. This is speaking about cameras. This program allows you to accept deliveries and buzz in friends, but it also has a camera with facial recognition technology. Once it's installed, landlords can check the dashboard, see if maybe a tenant hasn't come in a while. It also has a way of notifying you if there's unwanted guests appearing on an ongoing basis. It sends you notifications so you can be completely updated on what's going on your rental property. If you want to take it a step further, then check out subletspy.com. For 10 bucks a month, what they actually do will survey all of these short-term rental websites and will notify the landlord if their unit, the rental unit, is being posted on any of these short-term rental sites without their knowledge. Pretty cool function and allows you to protect yourself. So let's get into this topic of cameras. There are no legal framework, at least as far as I've seen, and I'm happy to have you guys comment. If there's any of you lawyers in the room, let me know what your thoughts are on this. I haven't seen any framework on how to put them in the unit, so in your home. So I would stay away from that stuff because having closed circuit cameras on people without them knowing, definitely a bad idea. But if you want to put them in your property, you know, checking the front entryways, areas that are common that would need to otherwise be kept secure, there's a legitimate reason for you to have security cameras there, and the off-spin result is you can see what's going on the property, which, great, but the main reason is for security. Let me say it one more time. We don't want hidden cameras or things the tenant don't know about in and around their home. And we don't want them to not know at all. If you're gonna put cameras, make sure that they're plainly seen and known. This is for security, so we have to do things right. We're not trying to be invasive of privacy, but if you're a tenant watching this video, you might be thinking in your head, you know what, you are invading my privacy. Thank you very much. I'm going to see you guys next week. I know there's going to be a lot of hate from tenants giving the idea of cameras, but at the end of the day, our main goal here is to share ideas, right, Cam? He says yes. I'll see you guys next time. Make sure you slam the subscribe button. Take care and keep it real.